Good morning, children.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Happy to see you all after vacation. Hmm? Hope you had a good time. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We were able to celebrate our Onam virtually, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Today we are moving on to a new chapter from our course book. Any guess? Which is a chapter? Is it a
Story.
story or a poem?
Story.
Poem.
Poem.
Poem?
Poem.
Poem? Which poem?
Poem. The Mask.
Mask is a poem.
Ayal.
Who said it? Midun. Your guess is right. Today we are going to learn a story and the title is The Mask.
Oh,
Ah,
Midun told, but he told as a poem.
yes, that's what. So the word mask is very much familiar to you. I don't have
Ma'am,
to
there's a
explain, right?
movie. There's
Yes,
an English movie
Son of Mask.
named The Mask.
really? Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
you have
A
watched it?
man gets a
I'm little ever.
crazy.
Okay, all right. Devika, Dion, and Thomas, please switch on your cameras and please be in muted mode. All right. So let's start discussing with the title. What do you mean by mask?
And the covering.
Ma'am, what
The
we
thing
keep.
with
One at a
covering.
time. Vishal?
Ma'am, mask means the thing with the help of we cover face.
Hmm. Yes, mask is a covering which is used to cover
Our face.
either your face or your body completely so as to disguise as another person or so as to frighten somebody else. Okay. So
Protect from corona.
yes. As a kind of
Face
protection
shield.
from corona. Yes.
Ma'am, face shield.
Yes, face shield. So I don't have to explain much about the term mask. You're all quite familiar, and now the mask is very much inevitable, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so the title of our story is Mask. And today I'm not going to tell you about the author, but when you come in the next class, you yourself is going to prepare about the author and come. Okay, let's have a
Ma'am,
change.
all. Ma'am, all.
Yes, everyone. In the textbook, you have quite a few details about the author. Anyway, I'll introduce his name, Satyajit Ray. Okay, it is now
Ma'am, we
actually.
should come with its full details.
Yes, you have to come with full details, his photograph also, and you will be presenting it in the next class. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you.
Ma'am, picture also.
Yes, picture also.
Ma'am, like presentation.
Yes, presentation. Okay, so it's a kind of classroom activity.
Ma'am, picture, we have to stick his picture.
Yes, you can stick his picture or you can make a presentation just like you did on the day of Teachers' Day.
Ma'am, PPT.
Yes. Okay, so you can prepare it accordingly and come. Everyone has to come prepared. I will select according to my choice. Okay, from here
Okay,
and
ma'am.
there. All right. So,
Ma'am, if
yeah.
we are preparing the PPT, we should send it to you.
Yes,
Ma'am,
you
you
can
can
send it
allow
to me through
screen
WhatsApp.
share. Then
PPT is
Yes, you
must.
can send it to me through WhatsApp. I'll check. But then while presenting, you can share the screen and present it.
Ma'am, PPT is must.
no, it's option.
Must. I'll make it must.
I don't know to do.
Learn it. This is the time that you get to learn. Okay. So the spelling Satyajit Ray. It is actually pronounced as Satyajit Ray. Okay.
What is
That is the actual pronunciation. But when we Malayalis pronounce it as Satyajit Ray. But it's not a correct pronunciation. Actually, it is Satyajit Ray. All right. So,
ma'am? Then why?
yes, Ashmit, pronunciation
Ma'am,
also
we can't
matters,
even
right?
pronounce it.
You have to learn
His
it.
son.
All right. So come prepared about the author. So moving on to the story, The Mask. So we have already discussed the title. Yeah,
Yes.
Mask. Now, when you hear the title, what comes to your mind? I have already given you the meaning of the word mask. A
And
covering for your
about the
face or your
story of
body.
mask.
Yes?
About the story of mask.
Oh, that's
Ma'am,
because you're already
some
familiar with the story of mask. Other than
ma'am,
that,
some like steal, robbery, or like that happening, and putting mask as a cover.
okay, something mysterious is happening. Okay, so
Yes.
what kind of a story this could be?
Mysterious
Hmm?
story.
Robber.
Finding
Story?
a robber or a
Robbery.
murderer.
Okay, finding a thief or a robber. Okay. Shivanya, what do you think? Shivanya is thinking so deeply. Yes. Shankari,
Ma'am, something
Midun,
related like that.
Thomas. Yes. Hmm?
Ma'am, something like that.
Ah,
Detective something.
yes. Some kind of a detective story. All right. A kind of a detective story or a mysterious story. All right. So have you read any detective stories before?
And last year,
Yes, yes,
the
ma'am.
blue
Ma'am,
carbuncle.
Yes.
The blue carbuncle.
Yes. Last year we have learned a beautiful story, The Blue Carbuncle. Do you remember the author?
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh, what was
oh
his
my
name?
God, it's at the tip of my tongue. I'm not able to
Ruskin
remember.
Bond.
Ruskin
Ma'am,
Bond.
it's a Sherlock Holmes story.
No.
Hmm?
Sherlock Holmes. Who was the author?
Abhinav. What is this? Geronimo Stilton. No.
That is a different comic book. That's like a
We
comic
haven't
book.
learned any story about Geronimo Stilton. Come on,
Ma'am,
recollect
it's
fast.
like a it's
Who is
like a
the
comic.
who is the author of the story, The Blue Carbuncle? Let me see whether you are good at remembering.
you.
Hmm. Okay. So just recollect it and come and tell me, okay? Recollect and come and tell me. All right. So I'm going to draw some pictures here on the board and you have to arrange it. Okay. So the mask, as you said, it's a detective story. It's a mysterious story. Okay.
Ma'am, the blue
Ma'am,
carbuncle.
something related to
Ma'am,
coil.
other corner.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, coil. Arthur,
Ma'am, Doyle.
Doyle and coil.
Oh, coil and toil. Huh?
Ma'am, other
Arthur,
Order,
Doyle and
Arthur.
Coil.
Cornell Doyle.
My
Like that.
goodness. Ah.
Other
Arthur,
Arthur,
Conan,
Arthur,
Arthur
C
Conan
O
Doyle.
N A N.
Ah.
C O Y L
Oh
E.
my goodness! If that author hears you pronouncing his name, well, I don't know what will happen to him. Maybe he'll get a heart attack. Yes, Arthur Conan Doyle. He is the one who wrote the story, The Blue Carbuncle. All right. So I'm going to draw some pictures here on the screen, and you just tell me how you can rearrange. Okay? You have to put it in the correct order. I do not know whether it will be appropriate or not, but still, let's make it a bit funny.
Ma'am, 3 legs.
Yes?
Ma'am, Stickman version. Ma'am,
Can,
3.
yes?
Ma'am,
Stickman. Ma'am,
flower.
3 legs.
Ma'am, one has 3 legs.
No, 1
Ma'am,
is
how did he get 3 legs, ma'am?
October.
He will
Let's
be
say
alien.
frisbee. Only 2 legs, okay.
Not
Only
like
2 legs.
oh, now he has no leg.
Okay, okay. All right.
That's okay.
This just a funny picture, okay? You do not take it so seriously, but then
Ma'am, only one hand for him.
2 hands are there. 2 hands. One is there on the other side.
Magic.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can't understand anything.
Wait.
One person's hand is hand.
Three groups.
This is a rough picture, okay?
Three groups.
Three people, 3 groups. And what is in his hand?
Ulta finger,
What is in his hand?
finger.
Gut.
What kind of finger is it?
And what we should do actually?
Wait.
Just this.
I'll tell you. I'm just drawing some pictures here on the board.
Ma'am, we are drawing Lulu or something.
Lulu Mall crowd.
You just observe and see. It's not that perfect, but still a rough diagram. That will do.
Shooting, salute.
And a question mark.
Thinking.
One hand.
Finger,
Mm.
finger, catching,
Down one it is playing.
Thinking, playing.
thinking, playing, finger.
Wait.
Finger.
I'll give the caption. Then it will be much more clear.
Linking, evidence.
Evidence.
Ma'am,
It's just like a whole mystery, like
Yes.
theme
Evidence to this criminal.
link to the crime.
ma'am, we should find the
You have to put it in the order. You have to put it in the order.
Information. Let's see, information.
Then next one clue.
Solving
Solving the case, a crime.
is crime. Thinking.
Who is the
Okay. 4 pictures I have drawn.
Yes.
A rough picture. I have given captions also to it. Now, can you just put it in the order?
ma'am? First one,
To
piece.
solve the case, to solve the crime or case.
If it is a detective story, what comes first?
I mean,
And
information.
you also have to tell me, is there anything missing? Any particular point is missing there?
Ma'am, piecing information.
Piecing information first.
What comes first?
Piecing
Information.
evidence.
No. Ma'am, first
First one, piecing
information, then
information,
we should
then
link it with the
evidence,
crime.
then solve the crime.
Then think, then
Think.
solve the case.
First thing.
Ma'am, it's like
Yes.
a cycle.
First
Ma'am,
one
first,
is
first
yes,
is the question
thinking.
mark.
Thinking, yes.
Then piecing information.
Basing information.
Evidence,
Giving
crime.
evidences to the crime.
Crime.
Anything is missing there?
Solving the crime.
Solving the
First one is correct. What is
Thinking.
correct? Thinking. Okay. Suppose a case comes to the detective. He first think how it has happened.
Ma'am,
So they are checking the area for
Ma'am,
Any particular
information.
statement is missing?
Ma'am,
I'm
collecting
questioning.
information.
Yes, very good. Gathering evidence.
Information.
Okay, gathering evidence. That part is missing.
gathering the evidence from the spot the crime has happened.
Yes, gathering evidence. That comes as second point. Then
Ma'am, linking evidence.
Then linking evidence to the crime.
linking evidences to the crime. Then
Then piecing information.
hmm?
Solving the crime.
Piecing information. That comes as fourth. Piecing means,
Generally solving the
means
crime.
absorbing the clues from here and there. And the final one is solving the crime. Okay, very good.
Ma'am, what is in his hand? Solving.
Actually, when I drew it, it became something else. Actually, it's a thumbs up symbol. Okay, solving the crime. Yes, that's it.
It was like arrow mark.
That's what I
Finger
did.
like
I
that.
drew it roughly. Okay, I'll show you good, well drawn picture later. Okay, all right. Now, we will have another web diagram. Mysterious stories.
And what is that?
So,
That's
what can you associate? What are the points
Ma'am.
that you can associate with
Clues.
mysterious stories?
Ma'am,
Clues.
that is the one which is there in the first page.
Yes. Tell me.
Clues.
Clues.
First one is already done for you.
Clue.
Clues.
Information.
Hmm?
Horror.
What are the points that you can associate with mysterious stories? You
Ma'am,
told me that you
horror.
have read many detective stories. We have already learned one
Ma'am,
last year.
Evidence.
Crime.
Yes,
Evidence.
evidence. Okay.
Crime.
ma'am, about the person.
Ah. Okay, crimes.
Details.
Ma'am, information.
Evidence and information is almost the same, right?
Ma'am,
Details.
what has happened at the spot?
Mm.
Ma'am, twist.
Okay, twist. I think then we have to draw more lines there.
Only.
And twist is climax, right?
Ah. Then what other points can you associate with mysterious stories?
Ma'am, questioning the people, interrogating or questioning.
After collecting the evidence, interrogating or
Ask some
questioning.
people what
Okay,
happened at the
so
spot
we
or like
can
that.
say that a detective mode of working out. Then come on, try to connect with the story that we have learned last year, the blue carbuncle. First,
Ma'am, visiting the places. Inspection. Ma'am, visiting the places the person has went.
Doubt. Doubt on person.
okay, suspecting. Okay.
Changing name.
Correct. Then
Ma'am,
Changing name.
Misconduct.
Then?
we will solve the crime. Like,
victim.
All them.
Then last one, final one. After
Solving.
investigating the investigating the case, what comes?
solving.
Final.
the crime.
Solving the crime. Solving the crime means
Finish.
finish that. I understood.
Finding
The
the,
crime was
finding the
solved in the
criminal.
story.
Finding the criminal.
Yes, very good.
Finding
Very
the
good.
criminal.
Finding out the criminal or the culprit.
Culprit.
Okay. So these are the points that we can associate with mysterious stories. That is clues, evidence, then detective way of investigating, suspecting different people, then a victim,
Their
crime
behavior.
scene, and finding out the culprits.
Getting the thief.
Okay. All right. Very good. So in this story, we find the main characters. There are mainly 4 characters in the story and 3 minor characters. Okay. So the first character is Feluda. Don't pronounce it as Faluda. That is Feluda.
Feluda.
Okay.
A character name.
Yes, the name of the character.
Feluda. Ma'am, is it Feluda?
Feluda.
Feluda.
Ice cream.
Not ice cream. Name of a person. Feluda. Okay. Don't write it as Faluda. Just
Feluda.
Ma'am, a little bit of spelling mistake only there, then it will become Feluda.
Okay. Next character is Topshe. The third character is
Ma'am, Rajan.
Rajan Babu.
Rajan.
The fourth character is Tinkari Babu.
What Babu, ma'am?
Tinkari Babu.
Tingari Babu.
Ma'am, what kind of name?
Ma'am, where did the author get this name? Last one is
That you have to ask the author himself. Okay.
Ma'am, so
died.
many
No.
names are also there.
Yes.
Ma'am, Mr. Ghoshal and all one name.
That's what I told. Other characters come as minor characters. Okay. The major characters in the story includes Feluda, Topshe, Rajan Babu, and Tinkari Babu, and the minor characters are Dr. Dhoni
Dr.
Mitra.
Mitra.
Yes, Dr. Dhoni Mitra. Then Mr. Abani Mohan Ghoshal.
Who is
Mr.
that in the textbook?
Abani.
Ma'am, it's just Mr. Ghoshal. No.
Ma'am, both
No, full
Prabir.
name. Full name is
Prabir.
Prabir.
And the last
Mr.
minor
Ghoshal.
character is Prabir.
Mitra is there. Dhoni Mitra.
Yes, Dr. Dhoni Mitra, then
Ma'am,
Mr.
it is
Abani Mohan
P.
Ghoshal, and Prabir.
Ma'am, it is given
It is
Phony.
P. Dhoni Mitra.
Phony Mitra.
Dhoni Mitra.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, Phony Mitra.
Dhoni.
Phony Mitra.
Dhoni.
Okay. So, I hope you are clear with the characters.
Yes.
Okay. Ashmit, what happened to your camera? It's upside down.
Just opposite.
I don't know. Sometimes this happens.
So, let's get started.
Ma'am,
with the
now
story.
it's okay now. Now it's okay, right?
Dion, read. Unmute and read. Why you're taking so much of time? Dion,
And what's the fourth name of minor characters?
fourth name. Only 3 minor characters are there.
Okay.
That is, one is Dr. Phony Mitra, second one is Ghoshal, Mr. Abani Mohan Ghoshal, and the third one is Prabir. Read.
This story takes place in Darjeeling, where Feluda and Tosh are holiday. Feluda is a private detective, while his cousin Toshpe is the narrator of the story. On one evening, while sitting at the mall, Toshpe accidentally overhears Rajan Babu, an amiable old man living a peaceful, retired
Life in
confiding in Tinkoiri Babu is tenant about threatening letter that he had received by post. Thinking that it may require investigation, Topshe tells Feluda about it. The story begins with Feluda and Topshe visiting Rajan Babu.
Okay. So the introduction is given like this. This story takes place in Darjeeling, where Feluda and Topshe are holidaying. So the main characters in our story, Feluda and Topshe, they are spending their holidays in Darjeeling. So where is the setting of the story?
Darjeeling.
Setting of the story is in Darjeeling. Feluda, what is Feluda's profession?
Ma'am, private.
He's a private detective.
Private detective. Feluda is a private detective, while his cousin Topshe is the narrator of the story. Who is the narrator of the story?
Topshe.
What is the relationship between Feluda and Topshe?
Cousin.
Topshe is his cousin. One evening, while sitting at the mall, Topshe accidentally overhears Rajan Babu, an amiable old man living a peaceful, retired life in Darjeeling, confiding in Tinkari Babu, his tenant, about a threatening letter that he had received by post. So, what is a mall here? The meaning is given. Can you just read out? Mall. It's not the mall that we go.
Yeah,
A stretch of road in a hill station with shops and eateries on both sides.
Yes. So mall here means a stretch of road in a hill station with shops and eateries on both sides. Alina. So Topshe accidentally overhears the conversation between two people. Who are the people who are conversing?
Rajan Babu and
Rajendra
Tinkari
Babu
Babu.
and Tinku.
Yes, Rajan Babu and Tinkari Babu. Okay, so Topshe overheard the conversation between Rajan Babu and Tinkari Babu. Who is Rajan Babu?
Ma'am, a
Someone
retired,
old man.
an amiable old man living a peaceful retired life.
Yes, an amiable old man living in a living a peaceful retired life in Darjeeling. Amiable means friendly. So Rajan Babu is a old man who lives a retired life in Darjeeling, and he was having a conversation with Tinkari Babu. Who is Tinkari Babu?
His cousin or
Assistant.
brother or
Tenant.
No, there is no relationship
action.
with them. Okay, Tinkari
A
Babu does
person
not
who
have any
pays
relationship with Rajan
Ma'am, a
Babu.
person who pays
Yes,
rent
he's
to
just a
someone for
tenant.
the
He's just a
use of a
tenant.
house,
Tenant,
a
a
room.
person who pays rent to someone to stay
for
in
the
the
use
house.
of a
Okay, so Rajan Babu was having a conversation with Tinkari Babu about what?
Threatening letter that he
He
had
got a
received by
13
post.
letter he got from the
One day
post.
he received a threatening letter by post, and he was confiding the matter to Tinkari Babu. And this matter was overheard by whom?
Top ship.
Top
Top
Ship.
share.
What do you mean by confiding? Hmm?
I'm discussing.
No, it's not just discussing. Confiding. Confiding. Confiding means willing to tell someone about your secrets so that they will not reveal it to others. Okay, confiding.
But this has been revealed.
This has been
This.
already revealed, but that was overheard actually. Okay,
Okay.
so the setting of the story takes place in Darjeeling, and we find the two characters, Rajan Babu and Tinkari Babu, having a conversation. Rajan Babu is confiding about the threatening letter that he received by post to Tinkari Babu, and this matter was overheard by cousin of Faluda, that is Topship. Is the first paragraph clear to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And Leah, read the next paragraph. The story begins with Faluda and Topshe visiting Rajan Babu.
Rajan Babu's house had a lovely, old, warm world charm. Cane furniture and strange mask adorned
Adorned.
the living room. Very recently, Rajan Babu have developed an interest in antiques and
Curious.
curios and had started collecting them.
Continue.
As it turned out, Rajan Babu had once helped Feluda's father, so he willingly took up Feluda's offer to help him find out what had sent the
Threatening letter.
threatening letter he was just about to tell us about. It when Tinkari Babu joined us.
Okay, all right. Rajan Babu's house had a lovely old world charm. Cane furniture and strange masks adorned
Ma'am,
the living
story's
room.
name. Story's name. Yes, the mask.
Yes. Story's name is also mentioned there. Yes, first part of the story. Cane furniture and strange masks adorned the living room. What do you mean by adorned?
hang.
No. Women love to adorn themselves with beautiful necklace. Adorn.
Yeah, love to wear. They like to wear those.
Adorn means to make attractive or beautiful.
Ma'am, like to adore, like that.
Adorn means to make attractive or beautiful. So his
Make
house
more
had
beautiful.
a lovely old wall charm. His house was beautified with cane furniture and strange masks. Very recently, Rajan Babu had developed an interest in antiques and curios and had started collecting them. So Rajan Babu is an old person and he is leading a retired life. So So maybe as a part of another kind of hobby, he might have started liking for this antiques and curios. What do you mean by antiques?
I'm
Rare
old,
objects that are
rare,
usually
old.
collected.
Not old.
I'm old.
Something very
It's
precious,
some
something which is old and valuable.
value.
Antiques. And curios means?
Rare objects.
Rarer, unusual
Ah,
objects that are usually
yes.
collected.
So recently he had started developing interest in collecting antiques and curios. As it turned out, Rajan Babu had once helped Feluda's father. So he willingly took up Feluda's offer to help him find out who had sent the threatening letter. So who is the person who have started investigating about the threatening letter?
Option.
Feluda.
Feluda or Topshe?
Option.
First option heard about.
Topshe overheard the conversation between Rajan Babu and
So,
Tingari.
Feluda.
But who
Feluda.
is the one
Feluda.
started to investigate about the
Feluda.
Feluda. Feluda is the one who started to investigate about the threatening letter. He was just about to tell us about it when Tingari Babu joined us. So what is the reason? Why did Rajan Babu accept Feluda's offer?
Because Rajan Babu had once helped
Feluda's
Feluda's
father had
father.
helped
Feluda's father.
Rajan Babu. Had
Shivanya?
helped Rajan
And
Babu.
Rajan
Specify-
Babu has once helped Feluda's father.
Yes, Rajan Babu has helped Feluda's father once. So he happily he accepted the offer from Feluda to find out the reason behind the person behind the threatening letter.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Feluda is a boy or a girl?
boy.
Boy.
Both of them are.
While he's cousin in that sentence.
Okay, both of them are.
First.
Ma'am, their age, they are saying that.
No, age-wise they are different. Okay, Topshe is much younger than Feluda.
I'm in the picture.
Yeah, in the picture you can see that. Introducing himself as Rajan Babu's tenant. So while they were having a conversation, so what is the scene now? The first scene.
Introducing
Which
the
all characters are there?
Rajan Babu.
Babu.
Feluda,
Feluda and
Topshe,
Tingari Babu.
Yes.
Tingari Babu, Rajan
Yes.
Babu.
Yes.
Four
Rajan Babu,
characters.
Faluda, and Topshe. These three characters are seen in the first scene. Okay, they were having a conversation, and just when it was about for Rajan Babu to explain about the threatening letter, Tingari Babu joined with them. Introducing himself as Rajan Babu's tenant, Tingari Babu said, Shangari, read.
Tingari Babu said, I didn't hesitate.
I
to
did hesitate. I did
I did
hesitate.
hesitate to move into Rajan's house as I have a special weakness for cheroots.
Hmm.
Only when he said that he did not mind the smell of cheroots did I accept the offer.
Hmm.
Feluda turned to Rajan Babu and asked, Do you have the letter here? Rajan Babu took it out of his pocket. It was not handwritten. The words, Be prepared to pay for your misdeeds, had been cut out from newspaper and pasted there. Rajan Babu said, It was posted in Darjeeling. Unfortunately, I threw the envelope away.
All right, all right. So introducing himself as Rajan Babu's tenant, Tinkari Babu said. So who is Tinkari Babu? In the
Rajan
story?
Babu's
Babu's
tenant.
Rajan Babu's tenant. So Feluda and Topshe, did they ask Tinkari Babu anything as he came into
No.
No.
the room?
No.
They did not ask. But Tinkari Babu himself introduced as the tenant of Rajan Babu. I did hesitate to move into Rajan's house as I have a special weakness for cheroots. What is cheroots?
Kind of.
A kind of cigar.
Kind of a
Cigar.
cigar. So Tinkari Babu has the habit of smoking. Okay.
Oh,
So
okay.
he hesitated. He was unwilling to move into Rajan Babu's house because of his habit for smoking. Only when he said that he did not mind the smell of cheroots did I accept the offer. So actually Tingari Babu wanted to have a rented house, but then due to his habit of smoking, he was a bit hesitant to accept the offer made by Rajan Babu. But then when Rajan Babu told that he did not mind the smell of cheroots, he accepted the offer and he came to reside in the house provided by Rajan Babu. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Feluda turned to Rajan Babu and asked, "Do you have the letter here?" So they were discussing about the threatening letter that Rajan Babu received by post. Okay, so Feluda asked Rajan Babu, "Do you have the letter with you? Can I see it?" Rajan Babu took it out of his pocket. It was not handwritten. Not the point. First clue about the
Yes.
culprit. It was not handwritten. The words,
Smart.
"Be
He's
prepared to
smart.
pay for your misdeeds," had been cut out from newspapers and pasted there. So
Ma'am,
what could be
he's
the
smart.
reason? What could be the reason why
Ma'am,
it was
fingerprint,
not written by
handwriting.
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 Yeah. Huh?
They can be identified.
Yes.
Ma'am.
If
If
he
they
had
call
written with his
someone
own,
and they write, and if the handwriting is same, they can easily find it.
yes, if he had written with his own hand, then it will be easily identified. So instead of writing by his own hand, he had pasted newspaper cuttings onto the letter. And what was written in the letter?
Be prepared to
You will
pay
pay
for your misdeeds.
Pay your misdeeds.
Be prepared to pay for your
For your
misdeeds.
misdeeds.
So what could be the motive or intention behind why he has
Revenge. Revenge.
Yes, a kind of revenge. Somehow he wanted to frighten Rajan Babu by these words. Okay, so he has cut the letters from the newspaper and he has pasted. And the word said, "Be prepared to pay for your misdeeds." Rajan Babu said, "It was posted in Darjeeling. Unfortunately, I threw the envelope away." So what does this letter has to do with the envelope?
Ma'am, envelope has the name, address,
Address.
Name and address.
and information about the
If
person.
somebody gets threatening letter, will it have a name on it?
Ma'am, address
Ma'am,
will
a
be
fake name will be there.
The letter will be, of course, anonymous. But then,
Ma'am,
A
address
fake
will be there.
name will be there.
yes, there will not be exact address, but we will get a clue or a hint from where the letter has been posted, from which post office. All those clues will be able to get. So, yes, Rajan Babu says that it was posted in Darjeeling, but unfortunately, I have thrown the envelope away. I think we'll stop by here. Okay, so let's recapitulate quickly. So where does the story takes place?
Darjeeling.
Darjeeling.
Story. The setting of the story is in Darjeeling. Who are the main characters in the story?
Feluda,
Feluda, Topshe,
Rajan
Rajan
Babu.
Babu, and Tingari Babu.
The Topshe, Rajan Babu, and Tingari. Who are the minor characters in the story?
Bani Mohan,
Honi Mitra.
Dr. Phony Mitra,
Prabir.
Mr. Ghoshal,
Ghoshal,
and Prabir.
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 What is the relationship between Feluda and Topshe?
Cousin.
Topshe is the cousin of Feluda. Who is the narrator of the story?
Topshe.
Topshe. Who was having a conversation between?
Tinkari
who are the
Babu
two
and
people having a
Rajan.
conversation? Or what was Rajan Babu confiding to Tingari Babu?
Ma'am, about the threatening letter.
Yes, Rajan Babu was confiding to Tingari Babu about the threatening letter. And who decided to investigate about the investigate about the threatening letter?
Feluda.
Feluda. What is the name of the tenant in Rajan Babu's house?
Tingari Babu.
Tingari Babu. What did Tingari Babu have a weakness for?
Cheroots.
Cherut.
Has a habit of smoking cigarettes. What was written on the letter, threatening letter?
Be prepared to pay.
For a misdeeds.
Prepared to pay for your misdeeds. Okay. How was the letter written? Was it a printed one or
Cutting the newspaper.
Cutting from
And he
newspaper.
cut that from a newspaper and pasted it.
Letters were cut from the newspaper and it was pasted. Is the session clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So go through the textbook, go through the portion. We'll continue in the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I think we have one more class today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We'll
Board
continue.
6.
We'll continue later. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.